Hey guys, Disney Collector here with this so cool fridge from Shopkins. This fridge is part of Shopkins Season 2. And look, it comes with 2 exclusive Shopkins. Now let's open this box and see what else comes with this fridge. Right here we have 2 new Shopkins bags. Instead of being blue, they're purple. Here are some stickers. These Shopkins stickers are really cute and very colorful. I think we have over 30 stickers here to customize the fridge. It also comes with 6 mini Shopkins. The eggs. These eggs are made of a soft rubber, and each of them has a different face. And here are the 2 exclusive Shopkins. Right here we have soda in a clear bottle. It's gonna go in the purple shopping bag. And 1 cake. This fridge comes complete with an ice maker. You can place any of your Shopkins on top and drop them in the little cup. Just like that. It works just like ice. Let's try another one. And inside the fridge, you can store over 25 Shopkins. You also have a big drawer for your vegetables. Now let's fill up this fridge with Shopkins. And then we're gonna customize it with stickers. Pizza goes in the freezer. Don't forget this other little drawer for your frozen Shopkins. I'm gonna put my piece and another box of pizza. Wow, my little fridge is now full of Shopkins. I counted them, and it's 32 Shopkins, not including the mini Shopkins. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Shopkins right here on Disney Collector.